welcome to the video tutorial initial configuration of the Scope mobile registration application on the devices, where we will learn how to properly configure the mobile device before starting the registration of households and persons. Before performing the initial configuration of the Scope registration application, the administrator user must take into account the following requirements. Have the mobile user role assigned in Scope Online. In Scope Online, the cache file is generated and the administrator user will receive an email with the username and password that can be used only on the devices. Both the administrator and the operator may have the uploader role, which would allow them to upload the data that is recorded. It is important to note that the roles assigned to the administrator user will depend on the office in each country. It is recommended to always log out of the device application when it is not in use. Accessing the Scope registration application, the application will display a pop-up window where you will select the Setup this device button and the file with the .scope extension must be uploaded. Then you will have to enter your administrator user credentials and click on the Continue button. Once the upload of the file with the .scope extension is completed, a confirmation pop-up window will appear and you will have to click on the OK button. The administrator user must create the operator users on the devices, ensuring that each of them have their own credentials. He/she must enter his/her credentials and click on the Login button. A pop-up window will appear indicating that the default settings should be verified and click on the Got It button. The initial configuration can be done by either the administrator or operator user. A form will be displayed and must be completed to perform the initial configuration on the device that will be used by the operator user. After the previous step, you can start the registration of households and individuals. We have reached the end of the video tutorial initial configuration of the Scope mobile registration application on the devices, where we learned how to perform the initial configuration.